How to permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily delete messages permanently on your Snapchat chat. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you just want to head over to the chat where you want to delete your chat. So for example, if I type something message here or something like that, and if you want to remove the message from the both side, you just want to long press on the message that you want to delete and just tap on delete button. But you have to note that the other side will see that you have attempted to remove the message. So just tap on OK and then delete chat. You have deleted a chat, but on the other end, that person will also be able to see that you have deleted something. And they will be notified and they will see your chat glow that you have deleted a message. That's something you need to think of. So in a group, it's similar as well. So if you are in a group, you can just long press on the message and then tap on delete, and all of the group members will also be able to see that you have deleted a message. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.